everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Jerry, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make fresh homemade almond milk. There are two ways to make homemade almond milk. The first one is using a blender, which can get a little messy, and the second one is using a milk maker, which is the way I'm going to show you today. There are two common milk makers. One is the Soybella and the other is Almond Cow. Today I'm using the Soybella milk maker, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to keep in mind is this method is going to work with any kind of nut you might want to use. My family prefers almonds, so that's what we're going to be using today. The thing I love about making my own milk at home is I have total control over what goes in it. It's just water and the ingredients that I choose. There are no added flavors, chemicals, or fillers. So next, let's talk about what we have in front of us. So we have the stainless steel chamber, and we have a cover for the chamber. We have the milk screen. We have the utility cup. We have the head of the unit. And I also have 1 cup of almonds. The almonds have been pre-soaked. You can soak them overnight. You can soak them for a couple hours. Some days when I'm in a pinch, I'll boil hot water, pour the hot water over the almonds, soak them for about 15 minutes. That works great as well. So when you look down into the Soybella stainless steel chamber, you're going to see 2 lines. The top line indicates 1.7 liters, or about 7.5 cups. The bottom line indicates 1.3 liters, or about 5.5 cups. I like to make a bigger batch, so whenever I'm using this, I normally fill to the top line using filtered water. So the next thing I'm going to do is put my almonds into the milk screen. And then you're going to attach the head of your unit to the milk screen. You're just going to work your blade down, and then you're going to twist until you hear it click and it's secure. Then I always take my hand back just to make sure it's attached. Next, we're going to attach the head of the unit with the milk screen and put it on the stainless steel chamber. You'll hear it beep whenever it's secure. So the next step is I'm going to press milk 3 times. Now I'm going to take out the head of the unit with the milk screen. This part can get a little messy, so just kind of be careful. You're going to put it in your utility cup. And it'll fit right down into there, and it stands up on its own. I usually let this sit here for just a minute or two because it's going to drain a little bit, and I can pour that little bit of extra milk back into my stainless steel chamber. Then there's not too much there, but I'm just going to pour it in there. And now we have a pitcher full of homemade, creamy, frothy almond milk that is ready to drink. So I store this right in the refrigerator in the stainless steel chamber. It comes with the lid, and your almond milk is going to stay good for right about 3 days. Alright guys, there you have it. That is a quick and easy way to make homemade fresh almond milk at home. Don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in.